Hi, welcome to my channel. Today is 23rd of December, just behind the Christmas. So today I'm going to London City to have a look Christmas lightings and decorations. Right now I'm just East Ham. Just I came out from my home. I want to go Christmas take it outside here. I'm London light Christmas light. So I've just came to the East Ham Tube station now. So I'm going to Oxford Circus first. Then I'm gonna walk around Leicester Square, Trafalgar Square, and Bond Street, all areas. This is my Barclay card, so I don't need to buy a ticket. Just I'll need to touch the. The train is approaching, so I'm going to get in this train and I'm going to change into the My Line to take the Central Line. This is Hammersmith and City Line. Get that, yeah. So even I can't move. I can't. So the people moving very fast, and even I can't change my line. So when I'm walking, I have to walk straight. So yeah, green light. So I'm walking across the road now. So we have to be careful. You have to watch every time the people which way coming, and otherwise it get accident. Yeah, see, all right. Yeah, all right. I move across it. Yeah, all right. So this is nice, colorful, like a peacock feather. Exactly peacock, very beautiful. It's gorgeous. just entered to another street. I can't believe it. This is amazing. On the street, you can see there are electric charging. Now I'm reached to a Piccadilly Circus. I just passed the Piccadilly Circus. Now I'm walking towards further down. I don't know, somewhere is the street. South Kensington, opposite the British History Museum. Now I'm walking towards the Knightsbridge. So I can see there's a Harrods shopping mall, one of the luxurious shopping mall in town. Let's go and have a look. I was in the opposite the Harrods. It's full of people. There are full crowd, and you can't move it. Too much people over there.
You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say. Life's about to end. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to try.
I've just walked all the way from the Knightsbridge to Green Park. So I'm just walking, and when I'm walking I hear many languages. That means there are too many tourists in the city. In the Green Park, front of the station, so in a beautiful, and there are nice lightings. So that is very beautiful, amazing. walking one of the street in front of the Green Park station. So there's one of these hotel or restaurant, I don't know, it's nicely decorated. You can see now. I just came to another street. It's a very quiet street, and there are nice decoration as well. It's awesome. Now I'm reaching to the Trafalgar Square. So all the way from the Piccadilly Circus to Trafalgar Square, I'm just walking. This is Trafalgar Square, so you can see there are many people come to here and chilling out, sitting and watching and enjoying their evening. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. Nice buildings, colorful lightings. Yeah, it's very nice. Now I'm in Embankment. Embankment, there is a gorgeous lighting. So I'm going to show you now. There's a street I've never seen like this. It's amazing, very beautiful. One of the best lighting I ever saw. I'm in Westminster. Behind me is you can see is London Eye. It's next to the Thames River I'm standing right now. It's very beautiful. It's a night is gorgeous, colorful night. It's very beautiful. So this is the end of my Christmas city tour. So thank you for watching. I hope that you are enjoying. So if you guys still are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and join to my channel, and you can watch more about the more interesting videos. ඉතින් අදට මම මගේ මේ Christmas London city tour එක ඉවර කරනවා. ඉතින් ඔබලා තවමත් මගේ channel එක subscribe කරලා නැත්නම් අදම subscribe කරන්න. ඒ වගේම ඔබලාට තව ගොඩක් මේ වගේ interesting videos බලන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් බොහොම ස්තුතියි මගේ channel එකට ඇවිල්ලා මගේ videos බලුවාට. Now I'm going to take the train to home.